Hi friends, welcome back to Sapima tutorial. Today we want to look at simultaneous linear equations, substitution method. We want to use substitution method and profile a solution to this problem on the board, and with this I'll teach you how to solve simultaneous equation. So let's call this equation 1, call this equation 2. To solve this, choose either of the two equations and make one of the variables in that equation the subject formula. But it is advised you look for the simpler one. Just like the equation 1 here, I have y, which does not have a coefficient, so it's easier to make y subject formula here. So we say make y subject of formula in equation 1. So in equation 1, I'll have 5x plus y equal to 17. To make y subject formula 5x, we cross over. I'll have y equal to 17 minus 5x. You can call this equation 3. Call it equation 3. Then go back to equation 2 and substitute 17 minus 5x for y. Anywhere you see y in equation 2, put 17 minus 5x there. So we go back to that from equation 2, put 17 minus 5x for y. Alright, so wherever you see y, put 17 minus 5x. Now equation 2 says 3x minus 2y equal to 5. Then we substitute. I'll have 3x minus 2 into, then y. I'll have 17 minus 5x equal to 5. Then we expand the bracket everywhere. I will have 3x minus 2 times 17 will give me 34. Minus 2 times minus 5x will give me plus 10x equal to 5. Then collect like terms at this point. 10x and 3x will come together, so we'll have 3x plus 10x equal to minus 34 will go over to meet 5. So I'll have 5 plus, if it crosses, it becomes plus 34. Then we add 10 plus this will give me 13x equals to, add here, I will have 39. Okay, then to get x, we divide both sides by 3. Dividing both sides by 13 rather, so 13, we cancel 13. My x, if I divide here, I will have 3. 39 divided by 13 will give me 3. So having gotten x, the next thing I will need to get is my y. But I will not go back to equation 1 and 2. I'll go back to that equation I formed, which is equation 3. Write it out. So substitute 3 for x in equation 3. Anywhere we see x in equation 3, we put 3 there. Equation 3 says y is equal to 17 minus 5x. Right? I'll have y equal to 17 minus 5 into 3. This will give me 17 minus 15 to have y to be equal to 2. Don't stop here. You now tell us that x is equal to 3 while y is equal to 2. This becomes our answer. We'll solve another problem to solidify on this knowledge. Okay, so let's find the values of x and y from this problem, taking the same process. This is equation 1, equation 2. Choose either of the two equations, the one it is easier to make one of the variables the subject, and that is equation 2. So make x the subject of formula in equation 2. I'll pick equation 2, which says x plus 6y equal to minus 17. Making x the subject, I'll have x to be equal to minus 17 minus 6y. Call it equation 3. Then we go back to equation 1 because we started with equation 2. So anywhere you see x in equation 1, put minus 17 minus 16y there. Okay, so substitute x with minus 17 minus 6y in equation 1. If you started with equation 1, then you substitute in equation 2. Because we started with equation 2, we will substitute in equation 1. So equation 1 says 6x plus 7y equal to 14. Alright, then we will now substitute. This is 6 into minus 17 minus 6y plus 7y equal to 14. Anywhere we see x, look at x. So this guy will now go in for x. Look at it here. Then we expand the bracket. If I expand, I will have 6 times minus 17 will give me minus 102. 6 times minus 6y will give me 36y plus 7y equal to 14. Then collect like terms. I will have minus 36y plus 7y equal to 14. This one will cross over and become plus 102. At this point, we add minus 36y plus 7y will give me minus 29y equal to 116. Adding these two. Then we divide by minus 29. Minus 29. If I divide here, this will cancel this. My y is equal to minus 4. Dividing here and here will give me minus 4. Okay. Having gotten y as minus 4, carry minus 4 into equation 3 to get your x. Put y equal to minus 4 in equation 3. That means I'll have 17 minus 6y. We put y as minus 4. I'll have x equal to minus 17 minus 6 into minus 4. Then we multiply. We have minus 17 minus 6 times minus 4 will give me plus 24. Minus 17 plus 24 will give me x as 7. Therefore, x is equal to 7 and y is equal to minus 4. This becomes my answer. So to solve substitution method, start up with any equation that you can easily make one of the variables the subject. When you have made it the subject, substitute it in the other equation. Of course, you have to substitute in the other equation. Get one variable, take it back to the equation you formed when you were making subject formula, and get the other variable.